say, can you see the smoke from your window? Natural disasters are all man-made. Fires catching on trees, but we made the wind blow as we close the blinds and look the other way. Land of the free, home of the brave, but it's hard to breathe. I'm so afraid of all of the pain. Nothing is changing. America, the beautiful, where killing's constitutional, where schools are just like funerals,